I created a YouTube on skylight replacement, and I have two channels. One for personal performance that has 154 subscribers, and another one on construction that has 11 subscribers. This one you're looking at here is the personal performance one, and it has TubeBuddy on it. So I decided to use the account with TubeBuddy to see what would happen if I searched for how to install a skylight, which is the simplest way to say what I'm doing. And it comes up here that the overall is fair. The first time I typed this in, it was a 69 and now a 29. And then I put in how to install a skylight on a roof, and it calculates a fair of 28. The first time I entered this phrase, I got a 78. And I would sure like to know if anyone else has seen this happen, and please comment below. So I still need to search for, so skylight installation would be the simplest. And it comes up with a very good 65. The search volume is poor, but there's no competition for that search phrase. So let's skylight installation, flat roof, and TubeBuddy says, well, that's a 74, so we're getting better. There's a fair search volume. Well, how to install a skylight is just 29, as we discovered, the search volume of fair. But if you put how to install a skylight DIY, this is very good with a 77. The last time I searched it, it was a 78. So the competition is excellent and the search volume is fair. And this was the highest that I got. With these two channels, I would like to take the phrase that gets a 29, how to install a skylight, and put it on one channel, and then put this one that ranks 77 and put it on another channel. So that will be an evaluation for later. What I want to look at is this business of search tags. It says tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find you. Well, here's the channel. This is the personal performance channel. And I put this video up, the skylight installation, how to install a skylight DIY. I used that phrase. And then I added Velux skylight with Velux flashing kit and custom flashing. And I put a little description here and chapters. The ranking likes chapters. In my one that doesn't have TubeBuddy, the contracting one, see, it's the same thing on this central contracting channel that only has 11. And I come down here and it doesn't even go down to the tags. You have to click on show more. Sometimes it does. And then you come down here to tags. Well, I did it just like I usually would do it. And I put in how to install a skylight, Velux. I misspelled it. Every once in a while I type in Velux, DIY. I put in 128 words, like 7 or 8 search terms. And I'm going to challenge that one in this construction central contracting YouTube channel with the one with the TubeBuddy has these tags, and it has tag tools, and you can select from these tags what will copy up into here. I have 453 words worth of tags, but it's now ranking these. You see 6, 20, 19, 19. It will put rankings down on this too. If it thinks you ought to be using some of those, it'll suggest it. Now, the curious part, it says tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find video. But TubeBuddy sure is interested in you getting these tags. Let's look over here on TubeBuddy Tools, this part. There's also some things up here. And I'm looking at SEO Studio here. And type in the keyword skylight. Usually I put in the whole title, but I just decided to go with skylight. Now look, this is unusual. I got a TubeBuddy SEO score of 100%. And it talks about including target keyword in the title, how big the title is, the target keyword naturally in the title, include your target keyword in the first 200 characters. This is score I've never seen 100% right off. If you click on next, this is where it gives you this chance to improve your score, which I went through here and I clicked on some of these. And when you click on them, they will show up in here. But I have 453 of 5. I only have 7 letters left. So while tags don't seem to be important in one description, they seem to be getting a lot of play over here. So click on next. And now this shows all the people that I'm up against. And it's putting me up first. I've never seen that, even though I've only had one view. But now if you look down here, 10,000, 137,000. Here's my other channel. But down here, 329,000 views, 303,000, 206,000. But based on how I'm selecting these keywords and descriptions, it's getting a pretty high ranking. You click next. You can apply this to a video, which I did the last time through, and it just puts all those things that we just did into that video. Would I like to save this option? No. Here it is. We're going to compare this one that has a lot of keywords on TubeBuddy entered in it in my personal performance channel. And I have a playlist called Construction That Pays Well. I'm going to pit it against my central contracting. There's nothing but construction in this one. The keywords on this one are just 128 characters. So we'll see which one performs better. And then we'll do one which has a low score on the keyword search. These both have the same score of 77 on the keyword search. And they both have 100% on the SEO tool. How to install a skylight. That's the inquiry. It's not ranked on this one. Oh, there it is. It comes up there. And which one is this? This is the central contracting one. All right, so that's what we're evaluating. If these tags that aren't supposed to be all that important make a difference